Best microwave. The microwave is now considered an essential element of any kitchen. Whether you are home cook or professional cook, these smart devices only serve to warm up a microwave meal. But they also have the ability to create incredible meals in a fraction of baking time or on the hob. There are many types of microwaves, with different power settings and power levels, as well as different colors and styles. Knowing which you best require time and research, which is why we have described some of the best microwaves on the market. Whether you're looking for a small microwave oven to warm up soup or sauce, or something a bit more robust to thaw chicken or fish, take a look at the options below and see which is best suited to your culinary needs. You will get the best microwave you can check out below. Our first product is about this item mirrored finish. The Russell Hobbs RHM2076B features a sleek black body and contemporary Mirador finish 800W power. This attractive appliance is simple and easy to use with 800 watts of microwave power, providing you quick and convenient cooking in your home. Large capacity 20-liter capacity to comfortably fit a standard dinner plate. The glass turntable is removable for easy cleaning and is also dishwasher safe. Our second product is about this item. 700W output rapidly cooks your meals in a matter of minutes. 5 power levels heat a wide range of dishes including soup, pizza and ready meals. 35-minute timer allows for accurate and efficient cooking results. Our third product is about this item. The RHM2079A Aura Digital Microwave from Russell Hobbs is a stylish everyday microwave offering 800W power output. Great for handling all of your cooking, reheating and defrost requirements. This microwave also has a generous 20-liter capacity and features a simple-to-use button and dial operation system with pre-programmed auto-cook menus, automatic defrost settings and 5 microwave power levels. The RHM2079A truly enables tailoring of your cooking experience. Our fourth product is about this item. This fits your. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. P. When replacement parts. Bullet loader. Execute function. Module. Initialize DPX. Closing curly bracket. Our fifth product is about this item. This fits your. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. P. When replacement parts. Bullet loader. Execute function. Module. Initialize DPX. Closing curly bracket.